Okay, this Onity lock was not opening the door. So I open. You have to remove the 4 screws. 6 screws. It's 2 on the side and 2 on the middle. And this is the clutch right here. This is the reason why it was not opening. When I open it and I remove this cover, this clutch is broken. That's why it was not opening. All you have to do is just replace this part. This part was the one that broke. See? Sometimes it doesn't happen very often. Most of the time the one that gets damaged is this part right here. You can see like the corners. You can see like right here in the corners they're worn out. That's why sometimes when this moves in and out, left and right, it doesn't catch anymore. So this part right here is supposed to catch on those corners of this little piece. But that one, most of the time that's the problem. But this time, this one broke. Who knows why? But now we're gonna replace. I do have some other locks. Actually, I have many. Many. So whenever a lock breaks, don't throw it away because there's many parts that you can use. As you can see, I'm gonna show you my treasure chest. And a good idea is to label them. What's the problem? Like sometimes the readers stop working. Sometimes these ones also. Not very often, but sometimes these ones also get stuck. And the readers, the clutch, the battery boards, the motherboards stop working. So I always, whenever I remove a lock and I don't have time to fix it, you see, bad clutch, I just put stickers. That way I know exactly what parts are still good. This one is bad clutch. Most of the time, the clutch is the main problem on these locks. The reader, sometimes all you do is have to use a cleaning card or use some kind like a air spray whenever it's not reading the cards, and you don't have that many problems with that, but the clutch is the main problem. So I just save all this junk right here. I have a lot of space, so I don't have a problem. And I got a couple other boxes. I save all the parts, and whenever I need something, I just come and read the labels, and I know exactly what the problem is with that lock, and I just use the parts that I can use. So in this case, I'm going to replace this clutch that it's broken. I went and picked it up from one of the other ones. This one looks very good shape. So I'm going to replace with this one and then put everything back together. I don't have nobody to record me, but all you have to do is just put this one inside. Oh, sorry, you don't see it. All you have to do is put this part inside right here, and this latch right here, it has to go on this side because this cable has to go like right here. This cable has to go right here and connect to the motherboard. But first you have to put this one in right here, like that. See how it fits perfect? Just put a screw. Where's the screw? The screw goes right here. This one screw right here, and then the other screw goes right here on this side. They are covered with this. You see? They're covered right here. They hide them. So these two have to remove, and then put it back, and then put the cover back together, and that's it. That's how you fix this one. Thank you for watching.